Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'll show you how to make the super delicious moi moi. If this is what you want to learn, please stick to the very end of this video and like this video so others can see it. To begin with, I'll pick my beans. I'm using brown honey beans. You can use white beans if you don't have brown honey beans. So I'll pick it and remove stone. You can also add water and select it so that the stones can go beneath and it will be easy to select. So I'm done selecting and washing my beans. I have some of the stones residue settling under like this. So I'm going to trash this and continue by adding some water to the beans to soak it a bit so that the skin of the beans can peel out easily. You can rub it like this to peel it, or just transfer it to a blender. Transfer it to a blender, add some water, cover it up and use the pause button. Use the pause button and peel the beans. I'm done peeling the beans. I'll go ahead and wash it and filter off the beans peel. Allow the beans peel to go through the strainer and you do it a couple of times to ensure that the beans is properly washed. It's not actually compulsory to remove the peel, but removing the peel gives it a perfect look and a nice taste. I'm going to do this a lot of times till the beans is completely clean, and my beans is clean. I set it aside. I'll go ahead and add my eggs to a pot, add some water and cover it up and allow it to boil. It's important not to overcook the eggs because the egg will still cook inside the moi moi. So my egg is cooked and I'll scoop it out. I cook this for 5 to 6 minutes. Transfer the boiled eggs into a cold water to cut off the cooking process and make it easy to peel the peel from the egg. So I'm done peeling my egg. These are the ingredients I'm going to use for the moi moi. I have my washed beans. My beans is washed and peeled. Boiled eggs, dried prawns, onions, some vegetable oil, Tatashe and Shumbo, Scotch bonnet, salt, Bullion cube and mixed spice. You can also use curry powder. I'll go ahead and blend my beans by first adding the washed beans to a blender, adding other ingredients like the Tatashe and Shumbo, some habanero or Scotch bonnet pepper, dried prawns. You can also use crayfish if you don't have dried prawns, or you can use both dried prawns and crayfish. Some onions, a little ginger, Bullion cube, salt and mixed spice or curry powder, a little vegetable oil and some water to blend. Go ahead and blend. I'm done blending. I ensure that I blend this very smooth. It gives it a perfect consistency when cooking my moi moi. So I'm done cutting my egg. I'll go ahead and grease my moi moi plate. You can use any plates. You can also use moi moi wrapping leaves. I'm using this plates. For it to come out easily, I'll rub vegetable oil before adding my moi moi butter. After filling up my moi moi plate with the moi moi butter, I'll go ahead and add my eggs, boiled egg slices, and garnish that up with some sliced habanero pepper, just for garnishing. I've already heat up my water for cooking the moi moi. I'll go ahead and add in my moi moi plates in the water. To make it cook faster, I'll cover the moi moi plates and cover the pot and allow it to cook. The moi moi is nicely cooked. It took 45 to 1 hour depending on how your batter is, whether it's thick or runny. You can get a skewer and push it through the middle. If it comes out not too sticky, it means your moi moi is completely done. Perfectly cooked and nice. Try this out and let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching today's video. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to support this channel. Thank you.